let's make a quick snack. Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate popcorn. I know you know how to make popcorn, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make it with a twist. So I have 3 ingredients over here. I have cooking oil, popcorn, and chocolate. Yeah, that is our twist. So you'll place whatever you usually use to make your popcorns on medium-high flame. And then you're going to add cooking oil. The popcorn I'm using, they're half a cup. So you add a generous amount to cook your popcorns. Then I'm going to add my popcorns in the oil and the chocolate. So I just sliced my chocolate into bits. Then I'm going to cover this and let it do its thing. So we'll wait for them to pop until there's no more popping. You have to try out this chocolate popcorn because they are very sweet and chocolatey. Bye.